Businesses in the food service industry recovering from COVID-19 are preparing to reopen their doors to customers. Initially, some locals might be apprehensive about such events. This is an expected reaction to the pandemic. It's up to restaurants and bars to instill confidence and reassure their customers that their facilities are sanitized and safe. At Larson Electronics, we strive to serve sectors deeply affected by the pandemic, including the food service industry. Our solution to making sure restaurants, bars, and other food establishments are ready to open their doors involves deploying UV sanitation lights. Offer these products to your clients in the food service industry to let them know you have their sanitation needs covered as they undergo restoration and reopen their businesses to local communities. The units also provide peace of mind for the establishment's customers when they see sanitation equipment around the building. Omnidirectional carts. Full 360-degree UVC sanitation for large rooms. The UV lights in this series are secured on wheels for mobility and come with lengthy cords for quick deployment. Models with adjustable heights, various lamp configurations, and wireless remotes are available. Directional surface mount lights and sanitation boxes. Linear UVC disinfection lamps and UVC sanitation boxes designed for disinfecting items and equipment used for food service such as trays, dishes, glassware, menus, kitchen equipment, and more. Air sanitation lights for occupied areas. Get rid of viruses and bacteria lurking in the air. These passive systems are enclosed, allowing the units to be installed in occupied areas, such as at the front of restaurants and bars, without risk of UV exposure. HVAC air duct disinfection. Available in 2-lamp or 4-lamp configurations. These compact lights clean the air from the inside as it passes through HVAC systems, vents, and ducts. In our commitment to operational safety, we are here to help businesses get back on their feet during these troubling times. Custom-engineered solutions are also available for establishments that need equipment to meet specific operating standards. Check out our full selection of UV sanitation products at Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.